little conversation with Mandy in the group about oil pulling, and I thought maybe you don't know how to do oil pulling as well. So here is a little lesson on how to do oil pulling and why it is so good for your gut, for your digestive tract, and for the health of your digestive tract, because all disease starts in the gut. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm Trish Tucker-May. I'm a qualified nutritionist, and I specialize particularly in ladies' gut health, because I see this huge correlation between hormonal balance and gut health. And my main area of specialty for ladies is perimenopausal and menopausal ladies. So, and I really see this huge correlation between how well we're digesting and how well we're feeling. All disease starts in the gut. And as the majority of our immune system also is built from resilient gut health, then it's really a good way to support your gut. And this is a very easy technique. You can do it every day. When I get up in the morning, I have my fractionated coconut oil in my bathroom, and I do a few squirts in my mouth. Okay, and then I follow it up with 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil, and sometimes I rotate with peppermint oil. And then I spend the next 5 to 10 minutes doing this. Now, usually my kids are not up at this point, but if my kids are already up, I let them know that I'm doing this beforehand, especially if it's the first time you do it in the day, or the first time you've ever done it, because no doubtedly, as soon as you do start doing this, your kids will ask you a question. Mom, what are you doing? So let them know ahead of time if it's the first time you've started doing this, because you won't be able to answer them. So you'll spend up to 10 minutes doing this. Now, when you first do this, it's really quite hard to do 10 minutes, because you might be sitting there looking at the clock going, oh, this is ridiculous. This is taking forever. It's amazing how time flies, but when you're doing something like this, time really slows down. So spend a bit of time doing this. It's fantastic for your gum health. So anyone who struggles with mouth ulcers or degenerative gum disease or things like candida. So what happens is, this, of course, your tongue is the beginning of your digestive tract. And if you have a coating on your tongue, and it's a really good idea to check out the color of your tongue and the coating that is on your tongue, because certain colors will mean certain things. So if you have a thick yellow coating on your tongue, that will mean that your stomach digestive fire is running too hot. You're possibly prone to ulcers or indigestion or reflux. If you have a white coating on your tongue, there's a very good chance that you're struggling with candida or yeast overgrowth. So this technique is very supportive for any of those gut-related issues. And once you've finished, I suggest that you don't tip that oil down the drain. You might block your drains, spit it out on your lawn or on your back garden or somewhere over your patio or over your veranda. So that's a really good way. It also makes you more kissable. So it makes your lips nice and lubricated and your mouth tissue nice and healthy. And doing that for a period of every day for a month is really going to support your gut and support any bacterial overgrowth that you may be struggling with. So there we go. I don't know if anyone's watching. If you are, say hello. Oh, look, we've got some great continued education classes starting this week. We've had oil camp. Now we're going into some continued education classes, and each of us experts are going to be talking about some different topics. So I'm going to be talking about nutrition and supplementation. There's going to be presentations on pain management, oils at every age, skin, gut health, all these sorts of things, all coming up for you. So great continued learning to help you with your wellness journey and help with your foundational health, because we are really serious with doTERRA about creating a really good foundation for your health. So stay tuned and look out for some great learnings coming up. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that's been helpful for you. And if you've got any questions, you can pop them in the chat. Thanks. See you later.